gotta see this. Oh my god. That has been floating all in the sky right now. It was like going up. Oh, it's gonna come back. Come on. Oh my god. What the fuck? That was amazing. There you go. Hi, what are you doing up there? Come back, please. This is just unbelievable. I mean, it's totally believable. It's in front of my face. Let's see if it comes back. Here it is. Look at it go. It's amazing. That is not a bird. That is not a plane. I'm very confident that there is a huge craft that is hidden within here. Look at it go. Oh my god. Hello, fam. Wow. Wow. Look at this thing go. I mean, it's all over the sky. I've had so many sightings over the last number of years now. Mostly I wasn't conscious of them, but the ones that I was over more than in the last 2 years, I would say probably, I've never seen anything like that in person, moving quite like this. See how the light is changing here. I'm going to step forward slightly. I'm from an 18th floor in Manhattan. I'm telling you, it's going to come back. I feel it.